I'm sure you've heard the news. Converting your disk to GPT is a must for Windows 11 upgrades. But what if you hit a scary error? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the fastest fix. First, let's figure out exactly what's wrong. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type MBR2GPT, validate, allow full OS. If it fails, the error usually means there's not enough room for the new EFI partition. No worries, here's what to do. Open Disk Management. Just press Windows key +R, type diskmgmt.msc, and hit Enter. Find your main drive, usually labeled C, then right-click and select Shrink Volume. Shrink it by at least 300 megabytes. More is better if you can spare it. Now, run that validation command again. If it passes, you're good to go. Finish up with MBR2GPT, convert, allow full OS. Still having trouble? Try a third-party tool like Disk Genius for extra help. Take it step by step, and don't worry, your upgrade is within reach.